Alright, today in this video I'll show you how can you send Sweatcoin from one account to another. So follow carefully with me till the very end of this video and let's jump right into it. The first thing we need to do is to go ahead and open Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on, and make sure you have the app updated to get the best performance. After that, quit the Play Store or App Store, go ahead and open Sweatcoin, make sure you're logged into your account, and then tap right here on these icons in the bottom right. Now from there, go ahead and tap on Friends in the top right. From here, search for the friend or your other account or any account that you want to send Sweatcoins to. I'm just gonna write in a random name, so I'm gonna write in John. Scroll down and find the account that you're looking for and tap on it to open it. Now all you need to do is to go ahead and tap on send right here. Write the amount of Sweatcoins that you want to send, and you can add why do you want to send it to John. That is optional, you don't have to do that. Once you do that, tap on send in the top right corner, and just like that, you're sending Sweatcoins to another account on Sweatcoin. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching. See you on the next one.